Hello guys, this is also Njau here. I'm a digital marketer. I teach people everything to do with digital marketing. I want to show you how I was able to deliver a flagship video to a client just using AI and Canva. Step 1 is understanding what the client needs. You see, it would all be zero work if you don't really understand what the client needs. Step 2, this is where AI comes in. We are going to learn everything about the client. Also, after you having the conversation with the client, now you're going to do your research on this step. Step 2, you're going to learn everything about their company. Maybe it's a new startup. We're going to use Microsoft Copilot. The reason we're using Microsoft Copilot because it is online. You go and straight ahead ask the Copilot, tell me everything about this company. And on this case, I'm going to use the company that I was working with. I'm going to tell the ChatGPT, the Copilot, tell me about everything about this company, and you see it can tell you. And now you can start understanding even in depth. Even after having the conversation with the client in step 1, you can now understand what it's about. And that's what I was trying to tell you. I guess I'll make more videos about AI because this is like so mind-blowing if you can understand what this thing can do. So you have done your research. What are we going to do? We are going to do the step 3. So step 3 is, this is where you are going to develop a script. Now you can go 2 ways. You can pick up a phone, you can pick up a microphone and record yourself maybe saying things, and that's why you see all these advertisement around, maybe all these commercials. Some have real human voices, like it can be in real estate, like the field I was. It can be in real estate, it can be in anything, it can be in beauty. You can just decide to use a human voice or AI, but on this note I'm going to use AI. And let me tell you guys, we are so deep right now into AI to a point people can just tell the difference. You cannot tell the difference. I'm going to recommend one is 11 Labs. You should check it out, guys. It is mind-blowing. People cannot, and people are using it for even faceless YouTube channel, but that's a video I'll create for someday. You can use 11 Lab, but on this case I'm going to use TT Converter. So we are going to develop a script, and this is the prompt that you're going to type for a script. Exactly, you are making a flagship video for all that. Remember us doing research for all those things that you've said, and you key in the prompt. You're going to make a video, a flagship video for this company, X company. Give me a script from a first person perspective, because you don't want it to give you a script of 2 people like a dialogue. So you're going to type from a first person perspective, and you have the script. So after creating the script, we are going to step 4, and that's where I mentioned TT Converter. Guys, let me just tell you, it is so mind-blowing that technology has enabled everything to be so easy. So we are going to use a website called ttsconverter.io. This is where it converts text to speech. It is absolutely free, and you can choose from different types of voices. You can choose Swahili, you can choose English. It's so amazing. You can choose French. It's just so exciting using it. So after you have copy pasted the script that we made earlier, and now we have an audio, right? After step 4 we have an audio. Now we are going to, after an audio, you listen to it, you can make a few adjustments, just to make it so easy. So after that we are going to step 5, and we are going to use Canva. Now guys, let me just tell you this. Prior to everything, graphic design was like this mind-blowing thing. If people told it, I'm doing graphic design, and you would be so mind-blown by what they're doing. But right now it's so much easier with Canva. You can see, let me just show you. You can navigate through it, and this is the amazing thing about Canva. You can search the thing that you want. Do you want logos? Do you want videos? Do you want YouTube intros? You can just edit it a little bit, twitch it a little bit, and you have it. Do you want an Instagram story? Do you want to build a brand? And guys, let me tell you, you need to start using these tools, because Canva is absolutely free. It has a paid version obviously, but it's absolutely free, and you can just make progress with it. So after using Canva, we make our video. Now we choose the template that we want, and this is the template that I chose. A couple of things you can see, you can just change a couple of things, edit. But for that to be able to guide you, you need to now to copy paste the audio. You remember the audio we made on step 4? We need to copy paste the audio on Canva so that the audio can guide us. So now that we have a complete video, we are going to step 6, and guys, we are going to finish. And let me tell you what, you need to learn these things, and it's amazing. So because you can do it for yourself, you can do it for your business, or you can DM me and I can do it for you at a really reasonable price. So on step 6, we are going to add some music, because we want some dramatization. We want something that is so, it has been dramatized in a way that, we are adding some music to it. You just don't want the it to sound dry. It's a promo. So we are going to a website called Pixabay. Pixabay, guys, let me tell you one thing about music. The world is really crazy. You might make a very big you might make a very really good video, but unfortunately umetumia background sound ya mtu mwingine and you get a copyright strike. Now you don't want to spend a couple hours developing a video just to get a copyright strike. You don't want that. So we are going to Pixabay. So basically Pixabay is free copyright, free to use, guys, from photos to audio. And this is where, guys, you will get every kind of music. Is it the background music? Is it the commercial music? Is this this corporate feeling you're looking for? You will obviously get it. And after that, you can add also a few effects, so that you can have a couple of effects. And by step 6 is